Okay, a quick one. How do I use Google Meet? You can see this top browser here. You just need to enter googlemeet.google.com. This is just what you need to enter. Just go to your browser on your website, on your browser, Google Chrome browser, and you just click on meet.google.com. And of course, it's best that you sign in, because if you should access Google Chrome without actually signing in, it may not work. It's going to ask you to sign in meet.google.com. Let me confirm this on yes, you can see it's going to say sign in, you join a meeting, start a meeting. Just say start a meeting, just click on start a meeting. Of course, it's still going to ask you to sign in. Okay, even if you say join a meeting, then you have to enter the meeting code, which I'm going to show you how to get the meeting code in a brief. So Google has several tools. There are several tools within Google. There are lots of tools within Google. There are so many tools. Well, now Meet is one of the tools of Google, and it's for conference call. You can teach so many people online. You can have so many people, like real-time events, you communicate, and of course you can share your screen. So how do you get started? This is the browser. You enter Meet, https meet.google.com. So it's going to take you to this platform, and of course, if you have gotten a Meet enter code, you can just enter the code or the link here. Otherwise, you just click on new meeting. Okay, and you can either create a meeting for later time, create an instant meeting, schedule a meeting in your Google Calendar. So let me create a meeting now, and this is a real time recording my screen, connecting my this is me. Okay. Of course, this is my image, my video. So you can turn on or you turn off the microphone. You can turn on, you can turn it off. The microphone is off, and you can turn it off. The camera itself is off. And why do we need to turn off the microphone or turn off the camera? Probably you are in a conference and you don't want to disturb the background noise, so you turn off your microphone while other people or the speaker is presenting and teaching. So that's a very good ethic of communication or interaction in a conference. The next thing is that probably you do not want the person to see you. Probably you're okay with the person seeing you seeing the person, but you don't want the person to see you. Okay, you can turn this off, and these two tools are very, very important. Now you can click join if you are the one creating the meeting, but you will see that a meeting has been created. This is the link to this meeting. So if you see this link, this last information, let me just go to now this. You can enter meeting code. That is meeting code. You can just join once you enter meeting code, and that is the meeting. You can see. So it's asking me to join. It's asking me to sign up. That is one important thing. So you can just see the meeting code. You can just presently just click on join now. And when you click on join now, immediately it's actually also give you this copy info. You can click on copy to paste on any other platform so that people can join you, or you can add people if you have their email already. You can add people if you have their email, and they would be invited. The list of those who participate will be available here. You can actually edit, remove, do so many other things. Options will be available because I'm the only one here, so that is why this option is here. And of course, if I click this one, it's going to pin me to the screen, but that is not the most important thing. Now we can turn on or turn off the caption. Okay, you will see translation of what I say at this bottom as you are seeing it now. So you can do this, and of course you can turn it off. You turn it on when you are discussing with people. Probably they need the translation, or you want to record your screen and you really need the caption, and as long as your communication is okay, you can do that. Okay, the next thing is that you can actually present. One of the tools I really love as far as Google Meet is concerned is this present. So you can present your entire screen. So if you want to teach somebody the guide, probably you want to teach online, you want to relate with people, like most of my clients and most of my students on my online training, just come to Google Meet. I will literally share my screen with you, and I'm going to just share my tools with you. And please, this is my YouTube channel. Let me go back to my YouTube channel, where as I'm showing my YouTube channel, Google Meet is actually literally sharing my screen. So if anybody have the access to this link, that person will be able to participate. Now I'm the one presenting, I'm the one also in the audience, but then you can have unlimited, you see, unlimited audience with that. Okay, if you are new to this, kindly subscribe to my channel. My name is Fetiga Majid. I upload video content on tech related matters. This is a complete playlist on Facebook. I had more than up to 47 videos. These were on web development, and I always update my content based on what people really need and ask. So Google has this tool, and you can just stop this if you don't want, if you're finished presenting. So many people can actually present their screen, and you can participate. You can join from mobile phones, from your desktop, your tablet, your laptop, and whatever. You just get connected with the internet. Now you have so many tools, and you have whiteboard. Now the whiteboard is for you to actually, present content using Google Meet. So you have a whiteboard, and this is one of the tools of Google. That is the jamboard.google.com. You can actually set this one up. You can create your illustrations, and you can do so many things. You can add text, and you just say this is teaching with Google Meet, and you can do so many things with it. Edit, create your animation, and you can just create unlimited frame, and you can literally just take this frame as your guide, use it to teach, share your screen, do so many things with it. And all these tools are integrated. And of course, don't forget that you can actually copy this URL and give to your audience on their chats. Okay, I will share this. Okay, the same thing. Yes, you can share this link. The same thing, the same whiteboard link. You can share it with your audience, and people really have it online. So it's so interesting, and so much opportunities available within this. And you can change your layout. You can put it on auto, tide, spotlight, sidebar, and you can change the number of slides available. There are so many things you can do with Google Meet. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel. I'm doing these efforts organically to just grow my channel. I say thank you and God bless. If you have any question, feel free to chat me up. My information is always in the description of all my videos. And of course, at the top here, you can see my Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, and my website. You can be a part of my community. Thank you and God bless.